If you're using VEVS Website Builder, you'll be pleased to know that managing user accounts, access, and roles is a breeze. With VEVS, you can easily grant back-end access to multiple users, each with customized permissions tailored to their specific role in your company. To add and manage users, simply navigate to the website menu, then go to Settings and select Users and Roles. Here, you can add new users and assign them specific roles. Each role determines what areas of your system the user can access and manage. So the user access permissions are managed through the roles. For instance, you might create a role for an SEO manager who needs to oversee particular tools and functions of your software. The system comes with several predefined roles, which you can customize with just a few clicks. By using the simple on-off toggle, you can easily control which menus and functions each role gives access to. If you need to create a new role, just hit the Add Role button and you're ready to go. If you have any questions or need assistance with setting up your software, don't hesitate to reach out to the VEVS team. We're here to help.